This is the Sobro side table, the next generation of furniture designed for your connected lifestyle. Packed with tons of smart features, the Sobro side table is the ultimate upgrade to your bedroom or living room. Thanks to the support of over 2,000 backers, we successfully shipped the Sobro coffee table last October. Now, with your feedback and support, we're raising the bar with our next generation product, the Sobro side table. Need a cold drink in the middle of the night? No worries. The built-in cooler drawer has you covered, and there's also a locking storage drawer too. In the bedroom, the Sobro side table is a next generation nightstand that pairs with our app to improve your sleep. Our app helps you sleep better with a white noise generator and wake up easier with LED lights that simulate sunrise. A motion-activated light bar on the front of the table goes on when you get up, so there's no need for a nightlight. Play some bedtime tunes or set the mood. Stream your Bluetooth audio from your phone through the built-in speakers. Or, for even richer sound, you can sync two side tables together. Stay powered up with the built-in wireless charging. We've also added 4 USB ports and 2 outlets on the back so you can charge all your devices. And our cord management system keeps everything nice and organized. Add colorful ambience to your environment with the LED accent lights. Choose your favorite color through our app or control the lights right from the back of the table. With your input, we've created the Sobro side table to complement your busy lifestyle and help you improve your quality of sleep. Whether you use it as an end table or a nightstand, the Sobro side table is designed to support your always connected lifestyle. Finally, furniture designed to multitask. We have a working prototype and have all our manufacturing partners in place. All we need now is your help to start the final production and start shipping the Sobro side table to your home. Please back us today and help make the Sobro side table a reality.